Good morning to everyone. Actually, in the previous video, already I start group 18 elements. Group 18 elements or 18 that is noble gas elements. Generally, noble gas elements কিছুমান compound বনায় XCF2, XCF6 এইবিলাক compound বিলাকৰ preparation. Then these properties completely hydrolysis and partial hydrolysis ৰ বিষয়ে discuss কৰিছিলোঁ. গতিকে আজি আৰু এটা very important topic related to Xenon compounds. Xenon compound mainly structure জানিব লাগিব. Structure of Xenon compound. The topic is structure of Xenon compound আৰু পৰীক্ষা এটা হলো 1 marks question এটা হলো আহি থাকে গতিকে তুমি কেনেকৈ ড্ৰ কৰিবা কেনেকৈ কি কৰিবা কেনেকৈ স্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো হ'ব what types of hybridization is take place in case of Xenon compound কেনেকৈ hybridization হ'ব তাৰ কাৰণে ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰি আমি ওলাব পাৰো গতিকে next this topic is structure of Xenon compound topic is this one structure of Xenon compound topic is this one আমি ফর্মুলাটো হিসেবে ইউজ কি কৰিম হাইব্রিডেশন ওলাব লাগে হাইব্রিডেশন যদি আমাৰ হাইব্রিডেশন যদি 2 ওলায় তেতিয়াহ'লে sp3 ওলালে 3 যদি ওলায় দ্যাট ইজ sp2 4 যদি ওলায় হাইব্রিডেশন কি sp3 আগতে পঢ়ি আহিছিল ফার্স্ট ইয়ার সো ফর্মুলা ইজ দিস ওয়ান h মিন্স হাইব্রিডেশনটো ওলালে হৈ গ'ল যদি 2 ওলায় আমি এইটো কি শেপটো কি পাম লিনিয়াৰ পাম 3 ওলালে আমি কি পাম ট্রাইগোনাল প্লেনার পাম 4 ওলালে টেট্রাহাইড্রাল স্কয়ার প্লেনার পাম if 5 hybridization is 5 then trigonal bipyramidal and 6 if h value is 6 then octahedral in shape আমি এখানে পাই যাম so if h the formula is this one hybridization ওলার kind of formula h is equal to half v plus m minus c plus a this is the formula h is equal to half h means hybridization find the hybridization of this one hybridization is equal to half into v plus m minus c plus a v means number of valence electron যেটো central metal থাকিব তার number of valence electron কিমান m means monovalent atom of bonded central atom monovalent atom central atom to কিমানটা monovalent atom কি হৈ আছে c means cationic charge a means anionic charge if this is after calculation if this value is 2 h value to 2 পালে আমি কি পাম শেপটো linear পাম 3 পালে আমি পাম কি trigonal planar পাম 4 পালে it is either tetrahedral or square planar if it is value is 5 then trigonal bipyramidal in shape in if 6 then it is octahedral in shape now by applying this formula now we will find out the hybridization of the compound and from the hybridization we will find out the structure of the compound for example আমি এটা compound লৈ লো that is suppose a xef2 so xef2 what is the structure and hybridization of xef2 ইয়াৰ structure আৰু কি কেনেকুৱা হ'ব এই ফৰ্মুলা আমি বহাই দিওঁ h is equal to এই hybridization হ'ব h is equal to half v means number of valence electron Xenon আছে central atom ইয়াৰ valence electron কিমানটা থাকে 8টা 8 plus m means monovalent atom কেইটা আছে this fluorine is monovalent valency 1 so দুটা আছে monovalent atom 2 minus cation কি positive negative আছে একো positive negative নাই minus it is 0 and a also a plus also 0 neither it is cation nor it is anion so it is equal to 0 so half into 8 9 10 that is equal to 5 if it is 5 then what type of structure is this trigonal bipyramidal it is trigonal bipyramidal in shape so trigonal bipyramidal in shape suppose xe is this one কিন্তু আমার ফ্লোরিন আছে দুটা trigonal bipyramidal 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 fluorine. This is the structure of this one. Actually the shape is this one, this type of shape. 3 lone pair electron and 1 here. This is trigonal bipyramidal, but due to presence only the lone pair electron, 3 lone pair electron, it is linear in shape. Linear in shape. One example is this one. Okay. Similarly, if we find out the shape is 2 lone pair electron and 3 lone pair, shape is linear in shape. Number B, XeF4. XeF4. So what types of hybridization take place here? H is equal to what? Half into valence electron, valence of xenon hoy, valence electron 8 plus monovalent atom, here 4 monovalent atom, 4. Neither cation nor anion, minus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, half into 6, 12, that is equal to 6. So what types of hybridization take place here? And here what types of hybridization take place, xenon? 5, as it is 5, DsP3, 3, 4, 5, DsP3. And here what types of hybridization take place here? 6, D square sp3, 3, 4, 5, D square sp3. The shape is octahedral type shape. So xenon is this one. So fluorine 1, 2, 3, 4, fluorine, 4 fluorine, octahedral in shape, and remaining 2 lone pair electron side আছে, soil আছে, side বন্ধ করে 1, 2, 3, 4. So D square sp3 means 6 hybrid orbital, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 lone pair electron is here and another lone pair electron. Shape is actually octahedral নহয়, lone pair থাকার কারণে this is shape is square planar, because lone pair is not count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a square planar shape. Similarly, another number C, XeF6. So hybridization H is equal to what happened? Half valence electron 8, here valence electron 8, monovalent কিমান আছে? monovalent 4, 6 plus 6, no cation minus 0 plus 0, this is 14, that is equal to 7 D cube sp3, So what types of hybridization? D cube sp3 hybridization. So hatta আছে, xenon structure is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This fluorine. This is the structure. And this one. This is the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 छोटा আছে, and remaining 1 lone pair electron. So 7 total. हाट्टा छोटा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, remaining 1 lone pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So due to actually not completely octahedral, this is not completely octahedral because it will not be octahedral. But due to lone pair bond pair repulsion, this is distorted octahedral. Hybridization is this one. Shape is distorted octahedral in shape. This is most important, very very important, and maximum porikar 8 lone pair only diye. So in xenon octet 8 electron, so it is actually 7 so type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This cube F3 ইয়াৰ hybridization 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 মানে এজৰ কি লন পেয়াৰ ইয়াত থাকি যাব। ওকে, Then xenon difluoride, this is xenon tetrafluoride and xenon hexafluoride remaining this one. Another structure of number D. Number D. Number D, structure of XeOF4. Here structure to key. Formula is to hybridization of H is equal to half into valence electron plus monovalent minus cation plus. And this is the formula. So what types of hybridization take place? Half valence electron central metal is this one. So here 8 take monovalent. Oxygen is divalent. Duta oxygen ki valence 2. But divalent we cannot consider this one monovalent ki. Only fluorine is monovalent F minus. How many 4? No cation, no anion. So it is what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is also 6. This is also 6. So hybridization D square sp3. So total D square sp3 hobo. The shape is this one. Shape is this one. Xe 1, 2, 3, 4. Side of fluorine thakibo 1, 2, 3, 4. This square sp3 actually octahedral hobo lage shape to. Tinita side of octahedral, but present only one lone pair electron. At oxygen side gol oxygen kita ase. If a lone pair thakibo lage, in lone pair log kun bond poribo. One bond is there and another is lone pair is here. So it is square. This is square pyramidal. Square. This is square pyramidal. Shape is this one. Another shape is this one, square pyramidal. And number number E is shape or structure of XeO3. XeO3. So what types of hybridization? H is equal to half valence electron ki ase? Valence electron 9 at valence electron 8 e hobo. Monovalent 0 and divalent. Cation and anion both are 0, so it is 4. So it is what types of hybridization? For sari hole it is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. If sp3 hybridization is tetrahedral in shape, xenon one lone pair electron size as a lone pair, and baki khini ki tetrahedral one, another one, and this is tetrahedral in shape. This is the shape of this is actually, if oxygen is present here then it is tetrahedral, but due to absence of this one, this is actually pyramidal in shape. Okay, so you will keep in your mind the formula: half into valence plus monovalent atom, valence electron minus valence electron of central atom plus monovalent atom link with the central atom, cation anion minus cation, কিমান চার্জ থাকে cation আর anion চার্জ পড়ার ফর্মুলা উলাই লৈ তারপর স্ট্রাকচারটো আমি পঢ়িব পাৰো ভেরি ইজিলি। গতিকে পরীক্ষাত যিকোনো এটা থাকে, সো স্টুডেন্টস ইউ উইল প্র্যাকটিস এণ্ড মোৰ প্ৰ্যাকটিছ ডাইৰেক্টলি আঁকিলেও হ'ব ওলাই পেলাই। গতিকে খুবেই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট, পৰীক্ষাত সদায় থাকিব আৰু পিছলৈকেও থাকি যাব। গতিকে যেনে তেনে তুমি তোমালোকে এইখিনি ভালকৈ বুজি ল'বা, জানি ল'বা, আৰু কিবা ডাউট থাকিলে সুধিবা। অ'কে, থেংক ইউ ফৰ টুডে, হেভ এ নাইচ ডে, বাই বাই।